Hi everyone, today's headlines. Security forces recover cache of illegal arms and ammunition. Nagaland records 53 new COVID positive cases and 85 recoveries on October 14. Be prepared for war. She tells troops. 60 Assembly constituency seat, BJP nominee consensus candidate of PDA. Delhi Capitals roar back at Rajasthan Royals capitulate in Dubai. DC and AKM seek action against those revealing details of COVID patients. Neymar goes past Ronaldo's record for Brazil. Dhoni fan paints his home yellow, makes Thalah's portrait on wall. 9 die at Afghan army choppers collide. NSCN K cadre prime suspect in grenade lobbing incident apprehended. News in details. Security forces recover cache of illegal arms and ammunition. Security forces recovered cache of illegal arms and ammunition at Philimi village, Zunabadha on October 13, 2020. A press release from the PRO HQ IGAR North yesterday informed that in a major breakthrough against insurgent groups in Nagaland, security forces along with police representative recovered one 9mm pistol with magazine, 6 live rounds, 1.303 rifle with magazine, 1 live rounds of 12-bore rifle, 1 identity card and 1 pair of Naga army uniform, house of SS Kilongzer Hoki Asumi of NSCN IM at Felimi village, Zunabadha district on October 13, 2020. The recovered items were handed over to the Zunabadha police station, the press release said. Nagaland records 53 new COVID positive cases and 85 recoveries on October 14. Nagaland reported 53 new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, October 14, 2020, taking the total count in the state to 7,416. Updated Health Minister Pangyu form. Among the new cases detected, 10 cases were detected in Dimapur, 25 in Kohima, 14 in Mon, 2 cases in Peran, 1 each in Tuenzang and Zunabadha. Updated Pangyu. Active cases stands at 1,473. Be prepared for war, Z tells troops. At a time when the 7th round of India and China military talks to resolve the border disputes in eastern Ladakh have ended in a deadlock, Chinese President Xi Jinping had told his soldiers, "We must put all our minds and energy on preparing for war." Xi made these remarks while visiting a Marine Corps base in the Guangdong province, where he made an important speech, Xinhua reported. Xi Jinping pointed out that we must put all our minds and energy on preparing for war and maintain a state of high alert. According to Xi, emphasized that it is necessary to uphold the party's absolute leadership over the military, strengthen the party's innovative theoretical arms and pay close attention to comprehensively and strictly govern the party and the military, and ensure that the troops are absolutely loyal, absolutely pure, and absolutely reliable, Xi told the troops. Xi also called for carrying on a red gene and creating a spirit that is not afraid of hardship and death. 60 Assembly constituency seat, BJP nominee consensus candidate of PDA. Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party NDPP has declared that BJP's candidate for 60 Pungra Kifri Assembly constituency bypoll was PDA's consensus candidate, stating this during a ticket distribution ceremony of BJP nominee Lirimung Sangdam. NDPP Secretary General Abu Mehta said though NDPP was keen on fielding its candidate, after a series of discussion, the party decided to go by the pre-poll seat sharing formula of 2018 and support the BJP candidate. Delhi Capitals roar back as Rajasthan Royals capitulate in Dubai. Delhi Capitals beat Rajasthan Royals by 13 runs in Dubai on Wednesday and went to the top of the table. Delhi Capitals took 161 in 7 wickets and Rajasthan Royals 148 in 8 wickets. DC and AKM seek action against those revealing details of COVID patients. A complaint has been lodged with the Moguchang police by the Deputy Commissioner Moguchang after highly confidential documents containing names, personal details, etc. of some AWO students' conference leaders who tested positive for COVID went viral on social media. The documents also contain the names of those under contact tracing. The DC in a letter to the SP Moguchang pointed out that some unscrupulous elements had exposed highly confidential official documents containing details of individuals being tested positive for COVID and under contact tracing in violation of the July 1, 2020 order issued by the district administration. The DC has urged the police to investigate the matter and initiate appropriate action against the culprit as per the law. DC further urged the police to act against those individuals for circulating fake COVID news and rumors in social media relating to Impure Clinic on October 13 and 14 and also against those who had circulated on social media the details of 18 police personnel who had tested positive for COVID. Neymar goes past Ronaldo's record for Brazil. Neymar has surpassed Ronaldo to become the second highest goal scorer for Brazil. Neymar scored hat-trick against Peru in the 2022 FIFA World Cup qualifier, which helped Brazil register a 4-2 win on Tuesday evening. He has now taken his international tally to 64 in 104 games. Two more than Ronaldo, who had scored 62 goals in 98 matches for Brazil. Legendary striker Pelé leads the chart with 77 goals for Brazil. Legendary Brazil goalkeeper Tafarel had termed Neymar as a superstar. In an interview to FIFA.com, he had said of the Paris Saint-Germain striker, "A great player, he plays the game in a beautiful way, he's an incredible dribbler, sets up goals, scores fantastic goals." Dhoni fan paints his home yellow, makes Tala's portrait on wall. A hardcore fan of former India skipper MS Dhoni in Tamil Nadu's Kudalur district has painted his house in yellow, the Chennai Super Kings color in the IPL. Not only the outer wall are painted in yellow, but they also sport the CSK logo, the lion, the tagline Whistle Podo, and also a portrait of Dhoni. 9 die as Afghan army choppers collide. 2 Afghan army helicopters collided while transporting wounded soldiers in the southern Helmand province, killing 9 Afghan service members, the country's defense ministry and local officials said on Wednesday. The 2 Soviet-era Mi-17 helicopters crashed due to technical problems while taking off in Nawar district, the Afghan defense minister's statement said. The 9 dead were all Afghan crew and soldiers who had been on board the aircraft. NSCN-K cadre prime suspect in grenade lobbing incident apprehended. Assam Rifles cracked on the perpetrators and apprehended the prime suspect of grenade lobbing incident that took place at Dansuri Assam Rifles camp on the early hours of October 10, 2020. Assam Rifles PRO HQ IGAR North informed that an individual of NSCN-K Nikki Sumi faction was apprehended near his residence at Purna Bazar on October 11, 2020, along with a 9mm pistol and 3 live RDS. The apprehended individual is identified as SSLT Hupeto IA of NSCN-K Nikki. He also admitted to committing this crime on orders of NSCN-K Nikki faction. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.